Welcome families to Velvet Locks, here for another video for you today. Now I've been getting comments and questions regarding my hair and the kind of products that I use to help it to grow. So I just did a video today regarding my hair wash routine and what I do after washing it as far as coloring it and what I moisturize with. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about the things that I use to help grow my hair. Alright, now this is going to be a video that's going to lead up to me making my hair growth concoction for you. So it won't be in this video, but I'm going to show you the things that I use right now. Of course, you got to start off with your vitamins, okay? For any type of hair growth, any type of healthy hair growth, you're going to need to treat yourself to some nice vitamins. So I don't have my vitamins right here. I usually use the Centrum 50 Silver because, you know, a woman is of a certain age. So that's what I start my day off with. Not to mention, you know, you got to feed yourself from within in order to get the outer appearance that you would like. So that's what I do. Now my morning routine consists of, first of all, as soon as I wake up and I'm getting ready to get up out of the bed, I usually take a sip of this, about a teaspoon, okay? Being that it's mine, I sip straight from the bottle, okay? So I use my black seed oil. I take like a teaspoon to a tablespoon, and that's my morning thing, okay? Then what I do is I follow it up, because you know that black seed oil does have like a very strong taste to it. So to get rid of that, I got the gummy forms. But I take the hair, skin, and nails gummies, okay? They also come in a multivitamin supplement form. Not multivitamin, but they also come in a pill form, which has no taste to it, but these are delicious. This is with biotin, 2,500 mcgs per serving, and it's good for your hair, skin, and nails. It's a strawberry flavor. It's really good, and you take 2 gummies every morning. So that's usually what I follow up my black seed oil with my hair, skin, and nails gummies. And for those of you who have other types of hair, skin, and nail vitamins, things to help boost your hair, it's always good to take. Well, this is another brand. I haven't actually used it yet because I'm on my hair, skin, and nails gummies. But here's something else for your hair. Okay? It's always good to feed your body from within if you want to see results from the outside. Another thing that I have done is I've made this wonderful hair growth concoction. Alright, now this is what I'm talking about as far as my hair growth concoction. This is what I rub my scalp with whenever it needs some sort of moisturizing, any type of oiling because it's dry. I mean, I also spray my hair. I mist it with my water bottle. I'm looking around for it right now. I don't see it, but I got so many water bottles with oils in it for my hair. Okay, so it's always good to moisturize your hair, especially with locks. Your locks should never be dry. Okay, so this has water and lemongrass oil in it. I love the smell of that. Okay, and so does my booby. He loves the way my hair smells. He loves the smell of lemongrass. Okay, so normally what I do is whenever my hair needs it, I will mist it and keep it nice and moisturized. But after I mist it, then I apply on my scalp this right here. I'm going to name some of the ingredients in here because there's quite a few different things. One of the main ingredients I have in here is my castor oil. You can use castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, which is what I really wanted to use, but I didn't have any. So I'm using the regular refined castor oil. Okay? And I also have inside here some black seed oil. Okay, this is good to use within as well as on the outside, is, you know, for your hair. You can use this on your hair and your skin. Okay, so it's good to use other than just ingesting it. Now another thing I have in my concoction, this is something that I made a while ago. I have a video on it, and this is a mixture of a green leaf with extra virgin olive oil, and it makes this wonderful hair moisturizing mask. Normally you put it on, you steam, you know, your hair for a while, maybe 20 minutes, and you usually just wash it out. But I have this inside my little thing right here is safe to have in your hair, and I'm just giving it all the benefits. So this is my little concoction. It's great for hair strengthening, great for building up your scalp, great for hair growth. It has great benefits in it. I'm gonna list all the benefits of that right there, okay? Because that's really saying something. Another oil I have in here is my extra virgin olive oil. These are my carrier oils, okay, that I use as the foundation of my wonderful hair mask. I bumped into this item watching a video, and this item right here has really changed the game for my hair. This is called the Virgin Hair Fertilizer, and it's an anti-dandruff hair conditioning cream for rapid and healthy hair growth. And this has a wonderful mentholy, pepperminty. It has a nice oil in there that gives you that feeling in your hair, like your pores are open. It's like a cool peppermint patty. Okay, that nice cool feeling on your scalp. This does it. So I have some of this also in my concoction, okay, as well as other wonderful essential oils that promotes hair growth. So that's what I do, you guys. That's what I have. That's what's been helping my edges, okay? And I'm going to do another video regarding my edges. Now, just take a look at some of this. Okay, when the hair is red is where my hair is normally white. And you can't even see edges when it's white. But when it's red, you can actually see some hair growth. Okay? And in this area, you guys, I did not have any hair. Okay, now you see lots of hair fuzz, fine hair. Same on this side. This side wasn't as bad, but same thing. My hairline, I guess it's like my parents. My mom has that very nice textured hair, and it's very fine and it's very soft and delicate. So that's what I'm looking at, okay? From years of damaging my hair with perms and styling it and everything, I pretty much destroyed my edges, but not completely, because I've really been focusing on those things, as well as my hair routine using my rice water, okay? So you guys, listen, if you want to see hair growth, you got to feed your body. You got to feed your body the right things. And since I've been on this good health journey, I've been seeing results with my body, my skin, and my hair. But being that I've been really focusing on my hair and the hair growth, my hair has really been growing. It's really been thickening up at the roots. Okay? As you can see, my strands, my locks, the base are very thick. Lots of hair in between. Okay? And what I'm trying to do basically is to just leave it alone, you know, not really do any crazy styles on it. And I've been actually starting little locks in between, so there's a lot of growth going on here. And being that this is going into the fall season is perfect, because then I can cover my hair with scarves and hats and, you know, cover my edges and leave it alone for the winter, keep it in from the cold, and then break it back out in the summertime again. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to list all the wonderful ingredients of this wonderful hair growth concoction that I've made. I will be making another one where I will be showing you all of the wonderful ingredients that I will be putting in there, and basically just making something that's going to promote hair growth. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. But yes, if you have any questions on what oils to use, just list them down below. Let me know what you want, and I'll answer your questions. Okay, and if you have any other type of video ideas that you want me to do for you, just let me know, and I got that for you. Okay, so don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share these videos, you guys. These are wonderful videos you can share with your friends and family, and yes, very informative. All right, so until the next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way, you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.